How to share a comment on a story on Instagram. Hello people! Instagram has just introduced a new feature for all users of this social network. From now on, you'll be able to share any comment below a post on your story. Let me show you how. Open the Instagram application. Find the post under which the comment you want to share is located. I will go to my profile and select the comment below one of my posts. Of course, you can also share comments from other profiles. Open the comment section under the selected post. Now click on the comment you want to share. A drop-down menu with more options will appear. Choose the option Add to Story by clicking on it. As you can see, the comment, along with the post, has been added to your story. Now you can resize it and reposition it as desired. And that's it. All that's left is to share your story. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.